Hello everyone, welcome to Pi Network's configuration tutorial series. Today we're gonna get our hands dirty with some OSPF configuration. So let's get started. First, we need to drag two routers and two PCs and connect each PC to its respective router. PC1, which is on the network 10.10.10.0/24, will try to communicate with PC2, who is on the network 20.20.20.0/24. The two routers are connected together on the network 192.168.1.0. To set up OSPF between the two routers, we need to enter the OSPF configuration mode. The command router OSPF1 is used. The number 1 represents the process ID. We're gonna set the router ID of the first router to 1.1.1.1. The command router ID 1.1.1.1 is used. Next, we need to advertise our connected routes, which are the 192.168.1.0 and the 10.10.10.0 network on the OcNOS 1. To do so, we will use the command network 192.168.1.0/24 area 0 and network 10.10.10.0/24 area 0. The area 0 represents that this network belongs to the OSPF area 0, typically referred to as the backbone area, and we commit our configuration. Now let's jump to the second router. Let's validate our configuration. We will use the command show IP OSPF neighbor. This command will display information about the OSPF neighbors on the router. Let's take a look at our OSPF routing table. We'll use the command show IP route OSPF. Now let's try to ping PC2 from PC1. And as you can see, the PCs can ping each other. Thank you for watching.